FBD 300YD sachet packing machine are widely used for liquid products, such as coconut water, jelly, energy gel, pulps, sauce, paste, food jams, etc. 1. Packing machine. Form, fill, seal, die cut, automatically counting, alarm. Shape of sachets are customized. 2. Filler piston filler for dosing, filling. Filling range is flexible. 3. Buffer tank, mixing, heating, balancing pressure in tank. 4. Other functions are optional, date printing, output conveyor, easy tear, other packaging functions.